Hey guys, this is my Vextra CD clock radio. It has two alarms. One I have set for 6:11 and another 7 o'clock. BU means buzzer.
Conductor Nicholas McGeegan introduced
88.1 classical, puts me asleep. Has clock settings, has AM, switch to CD mode. I have Velvet Revolver in there. Good band, yeah. Has some pretty cool little features. It has a headphone input. Of course, when I turned on the radio, you can hear it coming through the speakers. I guess while I'm here, just to extend the video a little, I have, well, here's what's funny. This is a Craig and this is a Craig. This Craig's better though, because it has a projector right here. These are both things I got for my birthday. My biological parents got this, actually, well, this was for my birthday, and this was for Christmas. It has a projector, which has its own separate little clock to it. It has an alarm clock, snooze, sleep timer, built-in radio. So, it's not really much fancy. It's probably a little $10 clock. Does its job though. I don't really ever use it though, because I got this sitting right next to it, my better one. I don't know why I turned the alarm on. Turn that off. Of course it is PM. I wouldn't be up on a Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Fuck that. Yeah, so check out more of my reviews, subscribe. Have a nice day.